Meetings of the committee, we need a majority of all the
Bakit po tayo
members.
mag-meeting ng committee? I'm not calling a meeting of the committee. I'm calling a public hearing.
Precisely.
There's a notice to send to
That's
you.
why there was no motion for the confirmation of any of these appointees or recommended.
Madam Chair, may I move to suspend before we vote?
You're questioning my authority. I walk out of this meeting. Dapat noon pa yan pag-umpisa. Ngayon, sisirain mo ang procedure na sunodan noon pa. I am facing death in the face. I have told you, death is a very beautiful experience. So I'm no longer pulling my punches. Pag mali, mali. Pag corrupt, corrupt. For all those jerks in government who are my enemies, I repeat, they are the reason why God created the middle finger.